Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to send WhatsApp message from Google Sheets using Pabbly Chatflow automatically. So here I am managing an event management company, and to generate the leads for my company, I have created a special inquiry and a contact form with the help of Elementor. Now my objective is that every time I am going to receive a new lead through the form submission in Elementor, I want to instantly connect with that lead through WhatsApp by sending them personalized WhatsApp messages. For sending template messages on WhatsApp to all my leads, here I am going to use a new feature of Pabbly, that is Pabbly Chatflow. To automate the entire process of sending WhatsApp messages as soon as the form is submitted through Elementor, I am going to build a connection between Elementor forms and Pabbly Chatflow, and that we are going to do without any coding and any programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step for your business, for that you have to come towards my screen.
Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, I am going to show you step by step that how we can automatically send WhatsApp messages to our leads for Elementor form submission using Chatflow. So here I'm managing an event management company, and to promote my business and to generate the leads, I have created a contact form, or we can say an inquiry form, with the help of Elementor. I have already attached it on my website, and now my objective is that whenever an interested client or lead is going to visit my website, they are going to submit this form. I want to send an instant WhatsApp message to that client with the help of Chatflow. So I am using Chatflow over here to send personalized WhatsApp messages to all my leads instantly with the help of templates. And for that, I'm going to build a connection between Elementor Forms and Pabbly Chatflow. So Pabbly Chatflow is an amazing and a new feature of Pabbly, which helps us to enhance our conversations with our customers, leads, or we can say clients, by sending and receiving the WhatsApp messages and managing the inbox. Now, here to build the connection between Elementor Forms and Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software which helps us to automate all our daily repetitive tasks without the requirement of any coding and any programming skills. So let's get started quickly. Currently, we are on the home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by typing the URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. After coming over here, we will find two options: sign in and sign up for free. So in case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you're going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now, as an existing user, currently I'm going to click on sign in. This is all apps section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. Here we can find Pabbly Connect, Pabbly subscription billing, Pabbly email marketing, and all other features, as well as Pabbly Chatflow as well. So you can access both Pabbly Connect and Pabbly Chatflow from here only. I'm already logged into Chatflow, so now I'm going to log in for Pabbly Connect. Let's click on access now. It has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where we can find all the workflows which we have created. And to save these workflows, we can also create separate folders like this. Now, to create a new workflow, let's click on this Create Workflow option. A dialog box is appeared in front of us, which is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let me provide a name over here. Send WhatsApp message on Elementor form submission using Pabbly Chatflow. After giving the name to my workflow, I'm going to select the folder. So you can see I have list of folders over here. Among these folders, the automation which I'm going to create currently is related to WhatsApp marketing. So WhatsApp marketing automations will be my folder. Now I'm going to click on create. As we have done that, you can see we are on a new screen. The screen contains a blank workflow which we have to fill up, and it contains two extremely important windows: trigger and action. So what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which the entire automation works. Here the trigger says when this happens, and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now, let's suppose my objective is that every time a new form will be submitted in Elementor by an interested lead for my business, then I want to send a WhatsApp message to connect with that lead through Pabbly Chatflow. So I'm going to take Elementor in my trigger and Pabbly Chatflow in my action step. When we are going to build the connection between these applications, then we will see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands. Because when the trigger happens, that means when the form is submitted in Elementor by the client, Then only a message will be sent to that client, or we can say to that lead, through Pabbly Chatflow on WhatsApp, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us start creating our automation step by step. To start with the process, first of all, we'll go towards our trigger step, and we will first of all select our trigger application, by using which application you want to start your workflow. So I want that when the form will be submitted by a new lead through Elementor, then the workflow should start. So Elementor will be my trigger application. Then we have to select the trigger event, on the happening of which event in Elementor you want to start the workflow, you want to capture the response. So when a new form will be submitted in Elementor, I want to capture the response, and with that response only I want to run my workflow instantly. Alright, so here you can see we have received a webhook URL, and also we have received some instructions. By following the given instructions, basically we have to insert the webhook URL inside our Elementor form, and as we will do that, then the webhook URL is going to act as a bridge for transferring the data of that new form submission every time towards Pabbly Connect. In this way, we are going to build the connection successfully. So let's copy the webhook URL, and I'm going to show you each and every step for building this connection. To start with, I will first of all take you towards my Elementor Forms account, and over here you have to select the specific form which you want to connect. After completing the form, after adding all the fields which you want in the form, you just have to scroll down and you will find the option of actions after submit. One more thing, I hope you know that Elementor is the plugin of WordPress. So first of all, you have to install the plugin Elementor in WordPress before setting up this connection, and then only you will be able to access Elementor. Alright, so here you will go towards actions after submit, and you will click on this plus sign. You will search for webhook over here, and then you will select the webhook option. And as we have added webhook option, we can see webhook is given over here. So let's select webhook, and now in the field of webhook URL, we need to paste the URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I will just delete the existing URL from here, and I will directly paste the new webhook URL which we have recently received from Pabbly Connect. And that's it. As we have done that, now we are going to click on publish, and the changes are saved, the form is published, and it is already connected with Pabbly Connect through the webhook URL. Now we will click on this preview changes so that we can open the form in a new tab, and the form is open. So whenever the form will be filled, the response is going to be captured in Pabbly Connect. And you can see in Pabbly Connect, it is showing waiting for webhook response. So let us submit the form and do the test submission so that the response could be captured and we can further continue our workflow. So let's start with the name. Let's say the name of the lead who is submitting this form is Smart. And let's say the last name of this lead is User. Let's say the email is smartuser396@pabblytudes.com, and here we have the phone number. Okay, let's say the company is Test Company, and let's say the city is Bhopal. Okay, so I've entered some dummy details, and now I'm going to click on send. As we have done that, the form is submitted successfully. So I'm going to take you back towards Pabbly Connect. We will wait for a few seconds, and you can see that the response is instantly captured. In the response, we have received all the details of the form. So let's start reading them one by one. So first of all, we have the form name, we have the form ID, we have the phone number of the lead, we have the name, first name and last name separately. We have the email over here. We have the name of the company as well as the city. And all these details are exactly the same which we have entered while submitting the form. This means our connection between Elementor and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. And now every time the form will be submitted by a new lead through Elementor, then automatically the response of that lead with all the details are going to be captured inside Pabbly Connect. Once we have done that, now our objective is to send the WhatsApp message to this lead with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So for that, we have to build the connection between Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect. So this is my Pabbly Chatflow account. First of all, you have to set up your account by clicking on this add WhatsApp number. You will have to enter the access token, WhatsApp business account ID and phone number ID, which you are going to receive through WhatsApp Cloud API account. So here you have to set up first of all your WhatsApp Cloud API account where you have to generate the permanent access token. And in order to learn the steps, you will find the video in the description. Okay, we have already created that. So you can follow the steps given in that video to set up this account successfully and easily. Then we have the phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID as well, which you have to enter over here. And then you will click on add. I've already done my setup, so I'm just going to cross this. And now we are going to build the connection between Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect. To do that, let's go towards our action step and let us select our action application as Pabbly Chatflow. Then we have to select the action event. What you want? We want to send the WhatsApp message. So send curl request will be our action event over here. Let's click on connect. For building this connection, we have two options, add new connection and select existing connection. If you already have an existing connection, you can just quickly go with that. I'm going to show you that how you can create a new connection. So for that, let's go towards add new connection. You have to keep in mind that you are already logged into Pabbly Chatflow, and you will simply click on the instructions given over here because we have to provide the token. And you will simply click on the hyperlink given over here in the instructions because we have to enter the token over here. To get the token, we'll click on this button. this hyperlink. And over here, it is taking us towards API and webhooks page. And over here we have, and you can see we have the API key. So let's copy the API token and we will paste it over here. Done. Now let's click on save. As we have done that, the connection between Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect is built successfully. So we have to enter the body now. To send the WhatsApp message, we have to create a template. We are going to create a single template, and by using that single template only, we are going to send multiple messages to multiple leads. So I am going to show you the concept now. For that, first of all, I will take you towards Pabbly Chatflow and we'll go towards the template section. So we'll go towards template list. And you can see that in template section, these are all the templates I have created for different purposes. This is the recent template which I have created for sending the WhatsApp messages to all my customers for my event management company, or we can say to the leads who are submitting the Elementor form. Now my template is already created and also approved. I'm going to show you that how you can create a new one. So we have the option of add new template over here. Let's click on it. And through this option, you can create a new template. So you can see we have to enter the category first of all. So what is the category of your template? Let's say my category is marketing. Then you have to provide a name to this template. So let's say the name of my template is new leads. It should be in lowercase. Then we have to select the language by using which we want to send the message. So here we have, let's say English. Let's say my template type is text. You can select image, video, document type as well. If you are selecting, let's say image, so you have to provide the template format according to that. All right. Then if you want to enter the template header, you can enter like this. All right. Then we have to provide the text, that is the content of the message. And over here we also have interactive actions. So if you want to send any interactive buttons such as quick replies or all, you can select them and directly you will click on submit. As you will do that, your template will be sent through Meta. As you will do that, your template will be sent to Meta for the approval, and when it will be approved, then you have to link it with a broadcast. All right. So now I'm going to go back towards my template section. You can see this is my template which is already approved. So I'm going to link this template with the name as new customers to a broadcast. So I'm going to go towards broadcast section now from the left side. After coming on broadcast section, you can see these are all the broadcasts I have created. And first of all, you have to select the type of broadcast. So here our broadcast will be API campaign. Then you have to provide the name to your campaign. So let's say the name of my campaign or broadcast is new campaign. And now we have to select the template. So which template you want to connect with this broadcast? I'm going to connect my recent template with the name as new customers. And here you can see that this is the preview of my template. That is the preview of the message which is going to be sent to all my leads. Welcome to Pabbly. Let's say this is the name of my company. Hi, thank you for choosing Pabbly. We are thrilled to have you with us. Let us know if you need any assistance. We are here to help. And you can see here I have used a variable. This is for name of my leads. So in the place of name of the leads, I have used variable in my template so that we can send personalized messages with the name of each of the customers according to their details. Okay, so wherever in the template you are going to use variables, the details of that place are automatically going to replace with every new response. And in this way, with the help of this template, we are going to send multiple messages to multiple clients or multiple leads, but in the personalized format. I have used only one variable, but you can use as many variables in your template as you want. All right, so now after setting up the connection between my broadcast and my template, I'm going to click on add broadcast. And you can see that my broadcast with the name as new campaign is already live. So now we'll go towards test broadcast section, and over here we have a curl URL. So you'll simply copy it and we will go back towards Pabbly Connect to paste over here in the body field. In this way, you have to enter the body. All right, now we have to enter the details. So we'll have to make some changes over here according to the details of the leads. The template name is already same. The campaign name is also given over here. Now we have to enter the destination. Destination is a number over here on which we want to send the message. So I'm going to simply enter the number of the lead. And that I have already received in my earlier response, as you know. This is the phone number of the lead. I have received that. So directly I'm going to insert it from the previous step only so that I can map it. Mapping is inserting data from previous step like this. And when we map a data, it becomes dynamic. That means with each and every new response, automatically it is going to replace. So every time a new form submission is going to be made in Elementor by a new lead, because I've mapped this number in this field of body, automatically it is going to replace. And in this way, we are going to automate the entire process of sending template messages on WhatsApp to all our leads through Elementor form submission using Pabbly Chatflow. Then in the username, we have to enter the username of the receiver. That is the username of the lead. So I'm going to simply enter the username. Here we have the first name with a space. I'm going to map the last name as well. Then we have to enter the first name. So now I'm going to simply map the first name. All right, I'm directly going to click on save and send test request button now. And here you can see that the response is received. So here it is saying that the message is sent and it is accepted on the number which we have mapped. So now I'm going to take you towards Pabbly Chatflow because we can manage the inbox from here only. We do not have to use WhatsApp again. So let's go towards inbox. And here you can see that the message is sent. It is saying welcome to Pabbly. Hi Smart. So you can see that the first name is given over here. Thank you for choosing Pabbly. We are thrilled to have you with us. Let us know if you need any assistance. And here you can see we have the bracket in the name, but it will not be seen when the message will be received to the client. They will not see the bracket, they will just see their name. So in this way, you can send WhatsApp messages instantly to all your customers with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. It is a very easy and effective process. Now, I hope this automation is clear to you. You can also very easily create this amazing automation for your business for sending instant WhatsApp messages to all your leads to connect with them and to convert them into payable customers through follow-ups. I hope this automation is helpful for your business. Thank you for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such amazing applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any doubt, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask about the pricing, you can visit this website given over here. Do not forget to share our videos, like our video, and also subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.